This cookie recipe is going to be your favorite after you try it. Dairy-free, sugar-free, and made with chocolate. What else you need? Oh yes, simple to put together and enjoying them in no time. As the spring, making the days longer and warmer, we are becoming more outgoing. Therefore, we feel more ready to work out and take care of our bodies. Running, yoga, Pilates, and even walking take part more often in our daily routine. The goal is one: to stay healthy. And with this recipe that I'm sharing today with you, I promise you are going to make the most healthy and delicious chocolate chip cookies you ever made. I'm soaking the dates in hot water. The ingredients are simple. Soak the dates without the seed for 10 minutes. I scale them with the seed, then I remove the seed and soak them in hot water. After 10 minutes, I drain the water and add the dates in my food processor. I already boiled the chickpeas, or I get them ready from a can. If there is no time, I use plain tahini, but also orange tahini would be nice with this recipe, and some orange zest. Here, let's put everything in the food processor: chickpeas and dates, tahini and vanilla extract. And final ingredient is the cocoa powder. Let's blend all together now for a couple of minutes. The mixture is ready for the cookies. I place parchment paper on a cookie tray, and with the help of a spoon I create the cookies. It is a little sticky, but trust me, it's very tasty. You can put it in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes to make it easier to apply. But I enjoy the process, to be honest. Now I'm going to add the chocolate chips on top of our cookies. I press them on top. Time to bake in a preheated oven for 15 to 18 minutes. Did you know that chickpeas is high in protein and fiber and contain many vitamins and minerals? They're also a good source of folate, also known as B9. I eat 1 to 2 cookies per day and I don't feel I'm missing anything. Please let me know how you like them. Soft, sweet, chocolatey, and healthy. You are going to love them. Please follow and subscribe for more recipes like this.